I ended up deciding to just make a new video because the one I had made previously had some of my student information in it, and I didn't want to violate FERPA. So in the WeTransfer, there's two different things that I shared. The first one is an Excel sheet, and it's set up with column headers of first name, last name, user, and password. These names are going to correspond later with exactly what's in the Google card template. Anytime you're doing a mail merge, the column headers have to be exactly the same as what's in it. That's why I provided you with this. So the capital F matters, capital N matters, the no space matters. I'm just going to put in a couple of random names to demonstrate it. We'll call this Bob Davies. And our usernames and passwords are usually pretty random. We'll go with that. And then this will be Michelle Davies. Okay. Once you have all of your student information in that you need, make sure you save it. And you want to do this part first because when you go to open the Word document that I gave you, you'll need this already set up. This is where your data comes from later on. So when you open the Google login template, it's going to ask you some questions, at least it should. And I'll show you a secondary way if it doesn't. So this is going to pop up and say, the data that we were using on this document before isn't valid. Would you like to find new data? And you're going to say yes, because you've already done that part. And then you'll find wherever you've saved it. I don't normally save stuff on my desktop, but for ease of use, click on your thing. What's the problem? There we go. That's what's actually supposed to happen. All of the data is on sheet 1, so click OK. And then this will pop up. So I have it set up to have 8 cards on each page. They end up being around 2 by 3 inches. Some things to note, this is my school, my kids' school address, so obviously change that to match yours. If this is bold here, it's going to be bold when they're finalized. If this is a lowercase here, it'll be lowercase when it's finalized. I have everything set up. Our default passwords at my school are too short for Google, so we duplicate them. They do password, password. If you don't need this, you can just click the backspace and it goes away. If for some reason those dialog boxes didn't pop up in the beginning, to start this from scratch, this would open, click on mailings, select your recipient, use an existing list, and find it just like you did, just like I showed you before. Okay, from here, you can preview your results. If I do that, I have it set up for you where it'll pull the information, and then on the next one, it'll go, it says next record, and you will be able to see it. So this is what the finished product will look like. And then to finish it, you do finish and merge. I always want to edit individual documents. That way I can do a save as. And if you had more than 8 students on here, it would create multiple pages all the way until the end. I personally like having all of this information at my fingertips, not having to do it over again. So I do a quick little save as if these were all my first graders or all my second graders. And then I'm all done. If you have questions, please let me know. And actually, I will just type my email right here for you. It is mstembridge@mp.edzone.net. Oh, that's so tiny. That's funny. And I really do love answering questions. So just let me know how you got my email, and I will gladly help you and email you back or call you if you need you. Just let me know. But I hope this helps. Thanks.